Manipur government earmarks rupees 1.30 crore for renovation of Nupi Lal Memorial Complex in Imphal. A state-level Nupi Lal observation was organized by paying floral tributes at Nupi Lal Complex, Imphal on Sunday in commemoration of the Manipuri women martyrs of Nupi Lal, which took place on December 12, 1939. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh announced that a sum of rupees 1.30 crore has been reserved in the state budget to renovate the present Nupi Lal Memorial Complex with modern facilities. He said this is one among the many initiatives taken up for the welfare of the women folks.
Manipur shibu ningkha tamba state amoina Manipur shibu leibak amoina aduga praja shibu ngat kena kamna mohon golok aduga thongdang shibu nimesi kasiki miron ne kwening sang badrakar leibo aduga moi ki tamje badrakar leibo mashi koina madune koina appreciate aduna ne koi state government na irabot ki state function mon thoga da state shul khilga Assembly of Mandas, Netira bought state Susan, King Kalaka Lake and the Begas de Maharajki, Nakanda, Narashin Maharaj, and the Adu Matambugi, Sahita for the Awada, one of the 5 modern warfare, looking for the Bahiras and the state schools harder the way she Kanunate, political game that they say, the spirit too. Madura Sigi Miro the nation